You should always follow good habits for a healthy and happy life. She is Mala. She brushes her teeth twice a day. He is Ram. He takes his bath every day. He wipes himself dry with a towel after his bath. He always wears clean clothes. Make sure you follow these to stay healthy. We should wash our hands with a soap after using the toilet. We should wash our hair regularly. We should also trim our nails regularly. We should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Water helps to remove the waste from our body. A diet that includes all types of food is called a balanced diet. A balanced diet is needed for good health. We should follow good food habits to stay healthy. Always eat a balanced diet. Avoid eating junk food. Wash your hands before and after eating. Drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water a day. Drink milk every day. Never waste food. We should also breathe fresh air, eat healthy food, and exercise regularly to be fit and healthy. Keeping your eyes clean. Eyes help us to see the world around us. Do not touch your eyes with unclean hands. If anything gets into your eye, remove it by washing the eye or ask an adult to remove it with a soft cloth. Keeping your ears clean. Ears help us to hear. Take good care of them. After a bath, clean behind the ears with a thin cloth. Never use any sharp objects such as safety pins, hairpins, or matchsticks to clean ears. With the help of an adult, use good, soft earbuds to clean the ears. Keeping your nose clean. Nose helps us to breathe and smell. It has tiny hairs inside. These hairs stop dust particles in the air from going inside. Blow your nose well when you wash your face. Use a handkerchief when you have a runny nose or cold.
Thank you. Please. Excuse me.
Sorry,